The hot wait 5 minutes error message appears on Ford Focus dashboards when the power shift transmission reaches dangerously high temperatures. This critical warning protects your transmission from permanent damage. This error specifically affects 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus vehicles equipped with the power shift dual clutch transmission, also known as DCT. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, this system uses two separate clutches. The power shift system generates more heat than traditional automatics, especially during stop-and-go traffic. The precise electronic control and dual clutch design create additional friction and thermal stress. The error triggers when transmission fluid temperature exceeds approximately 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. At this critical temperature, the transmission control module activates protective mode. The most common causes of this overheating include worn clutch plates that create excessive friction, low or contaminated transmission fluid that reduces cooling capacity, blocked transmission coolers, and faulty temperature sensors. When this error appears, the transmission control module limits vehicle performance to prevent catastrophic damage. Understanding these causes helps identify why your Ford Focus transmission is overheating and triggering this critical protection system. When the hot wait 5 minutes message appears, immediate action is critical to prevent transmission damage. Here's exactly what you need to do. For short-term solutions, focus on transmission fluid service and software updates. Use only the correct Motorcraft Mercon LV fluid, as shown here, and ensure your transmission control module has the latest software calibrations. When short-term solutions aren't enough, long-term repairs become necessary. Clutch replacement typically costs between $2,500 and $4,000, while a complete transmission rebuild ranges from $3,500 to $5,500. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance is crucial, starting with transmission fluid changes every 30 to 40,000 miles instead of Ford's recommended 150,000-mile interval. Consider installing an auxiliary transmission cooler, especially in hot climates. This diagram shows how additional cooling helps manage transmission temperatures. Practice gentle driving habits, avoid aggressive acceleration, and use manual mode in heavy traffic to reduce clutch cycling. Remember these key points. Act immediately when the error appears, use proper maintenance intervals, and consider preventive modifications like auxiliary cooling. Early intervention can save thousands in repair costs and extend your transmission's life significantly.